So these are styles. So this is just a short cut for you to, first of all, if you click there, there's lots of different sorts of styles you can choose. You can have heading like that, themed style cells, and you can create new style cells. That's gone to the filter again, so click on table design, convert to range, convert to range. So let's just select this, copy, click there, paste, clear formatting, and let's just say we wanted to change the styles of that column. So you could for instance mark them all as green, which it is saying means good. So if you, and also if you click here, we can accent in certain ways. So it's a quick way of changing the formatting if you want to. Not something that I particularly use. Now insert cells, delete, format. Now this format one is very good because it gives a lot of different things all together, like the same things you can do in other places, but you could, hide rows, auto fit, rename sheet. So if I click that, and I can just rename the sheet, so I can rename it London, for example. I could have done the same thing just by double clicking on it. It's just another way into other commands. Also that one at the bottom, format cells. So this allows you to change it's another way into change, all these things like font and border and fill that we were doing over here. So, we can select all this. If you want to do a border around it, I can just click there, or I can right click and then left click format cells, or I can click here and click on format cells, and then I can click on border and then outline. So this is not really to do with formatting. This clear formats is something that I've used several times.